Okay, we want to use the point slope form to find the equation of a line. Now we get our point slope formula, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So now the first thing we have to do, we just want to insert everything into our formula. So we have y minus 5 is equal to 3 times x minus 2. Our next line we need to distribute as y minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 6. Now, one thing we want to do is take this negative 5 and we want to add 5 to both sides. There are different ways that people do this, but since 5 is being subtracted, we should add it to both sides. So our final answer here should be y is equal to 3x minus 1. That's our line. Now, on the other side, we want to write the equation of the line that passes through 4, 1, and 6, 5. So the first thing that should point out, we are not directly giving our slope. But if we remember, we can always find our slope. We can always find our slope by y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So even though they don't directly give us the slope, we have everything we need to find it. Okay, so now we come back to it. Let's put this in. This is very important right here. Make sure we remember that, because if we remember it, we can get our slope. So now let's come back and find our slope. That's going to give us 5 minus 1 over 6 minus 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 over 6 minus 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So 4 divided by 2, once again, gives us 2. All right, now from here, we can use either set of points into our point slope form, and that will allow us to find the slope of the line. So now the first thing I'm going to do is use 4, 1. Here's y minus 1 is equal to 2 times x minus 4. Once again, we distribute. Y equals 2x minus 8. And we have to remember to add the 1 on both sides. So our final answer should be y is equal to 2x minus 7. Now, if we ever want to check it, just remember, we can use the other set of points. So this would be y minus 5 is equal to 2 times x minus 6. We want to distribute on the next line. Y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 12. And remember, one thing that we always want to do, we're subtracting 5, so we need to add 5 to both sides. So our final answer in this case would still be y is equal to 2x minus 7. Now, you don't have to use both sets of points. I just used both sets of points to show that you would still get the same answer. So anytime we have a problem like this where the slope is not explicitly given to you, you have to remember to find the slope first and then use either set of points. Okay, and I'm going to actually write this right here. All right, and that's how we use the point slope form.